President Ferdinand R. Marcos Jr. has done the right thing by ordering a probe on an embattled water utility service owned by billionaire Villar family, of which a daughter of the patriarch and former House Speaker is among the candidates in the ruling coalition Alianza para sa Bagong Pilipinas slate. Prime Water Infrastructure Corp has been under sustained flack from its subscribers or customers who've complained of shoddy service from the company for the longest time. Our Daniel Manalastas has more on the president directing a probe to resolve the matter rather than look the other way.
Some Alianza senatorials agree with President Ferdinand Marcos Jr.'s stance regarding the investigation on Prime Water Infrastructure Corporation, which is a Villar-owned company. And coincidentally, the younger Villar, Representative Camille, is also part of the Alianza slate.
So I think the government or the national government through the administration of President Bongo has reacted sufficiently, whether ma-resolve immediately or it will take time.
Any issue or controversy that concerns a basic need of the people should be addressed right away.
Tama naman po yung Pangulo. He has to listen to the complaints of these people. Mas masama pong tignan, hindi mo ka-aksyonan kasi ka-alyansa. Ang ginawa po ng Pangulo, it is not politically motivated because kaliwat kanan na po yung sumbong mismong mga LGU na. Hindi po si Congresswoman Camille ang iniimbestigahan dito. Ang iniimbestigahan po yung company ng family niya. Prime Water is not Camille Villar. So bakit po natin alisin yung tao? Kasama po namin simulat sa poll.
Alianza campaign manager Toby Tiangco said Villar is still part of Alianza and they respect her track record in public service and trust that she, like other candidates, supports efforts that promote transparency. Meanwhile, Malacanang countered Vice President Sara Duterte's claim that this is politically motivated.
She will always use that excuse or defense of pamumulitika without really answering or responding directly to the issues. Unang-una po, since 2023, nung pumutok na po ang patungkol sa confidential funds at na ito ay nagasto sa loob lamang ng 11 days, yan din po ang kanyang nasabi. Napakaagang pamumulitika.
Other issues which were answered by Alianza vets were about the problem on alleged spies and education.
Pilipinas ay para sa Pilipino. Walang sino mang dayuhan ang pwedeng makialam sa eleksyon natin. Once mangyari yun, it is a form of control. Gusto nilang impluensyahan at kontrolin ang ating bansa.
Ako sisiguruhin ko hindi ma-repeal yung Philippine Maritime Zones Act. Dahil personada nilang i-repeal yun pagka naupo yung mga pro-China senators.
There should be a system, a curriculum. The teacher should be properly equipped. Hindi ho yung parang, yun nga, iniwan mo lang yung anak mo tapos nandun lang siya naglalaro ng wala namang katuturan.
Daniel Manalastas from the National TV for a new and better Philippines.